we are on our way to go to the festival, but today is for a cleanup.
Oy, hi daw.
Bye.
Hi daw. Yung ako Richard. Pag-hi daw.
Okay, listen up. We got some new gloves for the bigger hands. Corbin, Daffodil, your hands are getting deco. Your feet are too, but hopefully we'll get some more Crocs again for Princess in Pink. Anyway, everybody glove up. If you ever see somebody else throwing their trash on, go hoy! Dispose of your trash properly, okay? It's up to you guys.
Hoy! What's your...
Boon dog, officer. Don't go out in the road. Stay by the side over here. We're not ready to cross over yet. You're more than welcome to. There. See, that guy's joining the party there too. Sandra, don't go in there too far. You don't know if there's broken glass or something. That's far enough. All right, on 3, everybody to the other side. 1, 2, 3. Buntag. Oh my God, where'd all that come from? Who would do this to our beautiful island? Thank God we got our junior Echo Warriors working here, huh? Buntag.
Very good.
That's one. See, he approves. Can you go up and grab another sack, please? A big one out of the back of the truck. I'll watch the kids here. They're filling up fast.
Oh, lots dami. Ako pa naligo pero mura nagbaho.
We're getting full.
Dali kaya wala.
Oh, Choco.
So many bottles.
Let's see if we can give this man a hand here, kids. Daffodil, you got the trash sack. Dig in, there's plenty for everybody. Don't worry, officer, I'll leave you another sack, an empty sack that you can hang up so this doesn't happen again, okay?
Thank you.
Salamat. So smile. You go stand next to him. You gotta get a picture by that over there too. Well, that's not a bad haul. Look at how beautiful it is now here, huh?
Ay, ali lang. Yawa. Alis na din. Ulo. Ako din.
Is everybody ready to eat and ride all you can? Watch out for cars.
Abay na dyan sa Lucera.
You're looking good. All nice yellow clean shirts.
Ani ko. Uy, ama kang kuloy. Ani man ko.
Oh boy, we're gonna have a load in the car. Well, hi. It looks like you just woke up. Okay, here we go. Hang on.
Uy, kita mag-ipong. Ako. Ako. Daganta. Uy, ang ano ba? Kana. Ay, sana. Diyan ko daw. Horse. Horse.
And we're here at Jollibee. They got some good pieces too. They're big pieces, not just wings.
Thanks for watching. God bless our hard-working junior eco warriors.